A freelancer is an individual who works for themselves in the form of self-employment. There are many places you can get freelance work online, but there are a few that stand out above the rest. In this video, we are going to list some of the best freelancing websites to use in finding a remote job. Before we take a closer look at these options, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified anytime we upload a video. Without wasting any more time, here are some of the best freelancing websites. 1. Freelancer.com. Online marketplace Freelancer.com connects businesses seeking freelance workers with those looking for contract work. Freelancer.com was founded in 2009, with headquarters located in Sydney, Australia, though it also has offices in Vancouver, London, Buenos Aires, Manila, and Jakarta. 2. Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the most robust freelance websites around, and is renowned for its talented crowd. It is a great option for small businesses because it offers a variety of services at affordable prices. Businesses can easily complete simple projects for as little as $5. It has a variety of tools to help businesses hire freelancers to meet their needs, and offers project-based pricing instead of hourly rates. It also has customer success managers who can help businesses find the best fit for their specific needs. The Fiverr website is a bidding platform that matches buyers with freelancers with appropriate skills. Customers can post projects and attach relevant documents, or write a more detailed brief. Once the buyer posts the project, freelancers with appropriate skills and experience are matched with buyers. Buyers can also browse through the portfolios of freelancers and review feedback left by previous customers. 3. Upwork. Upwork is a great website for finding freelancers of all types. It has a huge pool of freelancers who specialize in a variety of fields. It allows users to check out samples of their previous work before making a decision about hiring a freelancer. It also offers a variety of short and long-term contracts and video and text messaging features. Payments on Upwork are made via escrow. The company holds your funds until the job is completed. Depending on the type of project, you can pay by the project, the hourly rate, or a fixed price. You must report the income from Upwork on your taxes. Upwork was formerly known as Odesk and Elance. It is the world's largest freelancing website. It connects independent contractors with clients from around the world. 4. People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a freelance marketplace based in the United Kingdom that has assisted businesses hire over 2 million freelancers worldwide. 5. SimplyHired. SimplyHired is an easy-to-use, comprehensive freelancing website that connects employers with freelancers looking to fill their positions. Job listings can be filtered based on location, skill, and company name, and professionals can search through a variety of opportunities. There are also a number of tools to help them create an effective resume. Unlike some other freelancing websites, SimplyHired charges only when an applicant meets their qualifications. This unique pay-per-contact model enables employers to monitor the progress of a candidate through their recruitment process. 6. Guru. Another freelancing website is Guru. This website has a large variety of jobs, and you can browse through projects based on keywords or subscribe to feeds that are based on location. You can apply for projects and get hired quickly, and the website makes it easy to find jobs in your area. Freelancing websites are excellent opportunities to earn a living. Thank you for watching. Kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos just like this.